Play, exercise, fun, fresh air, all key ingredients for growing up and for grown-ups. On a sunny day, you gotta get out there and play. We're all about that at AAA State of Play, and we're also all about safe play. That includes playing it safe in the sun and heat. So in this video, we're putting on the shades.
If you just do the one post shade like we've done back here, it's inexpensive to install. It's a fairly inexpensive price for the shade, and it provides a great amount of shade. You can do them at 8 foot, 10 foot, 12 foot shade dimensions. It really offers a nice place for the kids to get away and get out of the sun, and it cuts down on the heat.
AAA State of Play offers a wide range of commercial shade structures, from simple to custom to, well, pretty spectacular.
We have some basic predetermined sizes that we offer, but if you want to get really creative and you have something that you're wanting to do, we did a pool shade. They decided how big they wanted it. We worked with the architects and the designers to get the proper size, shape, and even the height on that one, because it was going to go right over the pool bar. They hung a couple TVs on the post, and it turned out amazing, as you can see.
Outdoor shade structures give us a safe space to get out of the sun's UV rays, cool down, help prevent heat exhaustion, and provide places and spaces to picnic, play, just relax. But as important as it is, playground sunshade can be an overlooked element in many play areas and public spaces. You need those havens from the sun and heat. They encourage longer stays and more play outside. These days, that is more important than ever.
So you're cutting down those UV rays for the kids. You're cutting down on temperature while they're playing, temperature of the playground equipment while they're playing, protects the playground. So your playground equipment's going to last longer, your surfacing is going to last longer because it's out of the sun.
Playground shade options are almost endless, but there are basic shade styles and shapes. Cantilever shades, sail shades, hip shades, and of course, umbrella shades.
We have a single post shade, square post, in the ground, and then we can go up from there. We have sail shades. We can custom design something.
Sail shades are triangular shaped fabric with any number of designs and shapes.
It was 3 posts, and it was higher on one side, lower on the other. They call that hyperbolic. And that created that look like it was designed, like it had that extra architectural factor on that playground. And it took a beautiful structure and it just elevated the look.
Hip shades are square or rectangular and come in a variety of sizes. They can get really big. Supported by 4 poles, hip shades are popular choices for playgrounds like this early learning center in Auburn, Indiana. Cantilever shades have the least amount of parts and footings, engineered for maximum shade with minimal obstructions, especially popular at poolside, for businesses, parking, and sidewalks. An outdoor shade canopy is not only protection from the elements, it can be a welcome mat, a way to denote an entrance and exit, a way to say, come on in. As you do your research, you'll run into terms like wind load and resistance, important to consider in places prone to heavy winds and storms like coastal areas. We can help with engineering, design, and installation of any of our shades.
These shades are commercial grade, strong, they can be engineered for any wind load, and they're gonna last forever. You may need to replace your fabric, but those posts are going to be in the ground, and they're going to stay strong.
There are times you'll want to remove those shades. Here's another term to keep in mind: glide elbows.
Many people take the shades on and off in the winter months if they know a storm is coming, or if we know we're expecting snow for 3 months out of the year. They'll go ahead and take those shades off. The glide elbow allows that to just run a little smoother, go a little faster, and make it much, much easier to take it off, much easier and safer to put it back on.
Fun in the sun, made in the shade. AAA State of Play offers the best of both worlds.